Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu sent me to invite Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam because he had prepared a meal. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, I reached there to find him sitting along with the companions. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam looked at me, I felt shyness. I submitted accept Abu Talha's invitation. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said to the people, get up. Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I prepared some food. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam touched that food and invoked blessing upon it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, summon 10 of my companions and said, eat, and then brought out something from between his fingers for them. So they ate and get satiated and went away. Then they continued coming in a batch of 10 and exiting until none of them was left, and all of them ate to their satiety. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent for food, and it was as much as it was while they were consuming it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5285.